Is it time to buy or sell Zevra Therapeutics stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Zevra Therapeutics. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 12th of August, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 8th of May in the year 2025, our system has ranked Zevra Therapeutics as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.49. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time period. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of approximately 50.96% since we first recommended Zevra Therapeutics as a buy candidate 66 days ago. This equates to an average return of about 0.77% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and strong upward trend in the short term, suggesting a continuation of this rise. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 43.34% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 32.66% to 72.75%. Analyzing the longer term, our 12-month forecast points to a projected change of around 24.46%. Our calculations suggest the stock's performance could vary from negative 21.45% to positive 37.53% over the next year. This would result in a future price estimated to be between $9.24 and $16.17. Our latest daily update for Zevra Therapeutics includes the headline: Zevra Therapeutics Incorporated stock price ended at $11.76 on Tuesday, after gaining 0.513%. The Zevra Therapeutics Incorporated stock price gained 0.513% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 12th of August, 2025, rising from $11.70 to $11.76. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 3.45%, with a day low of $11.51 and a day high of $11.91. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 8.79% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, with a total of 464,000 more shares traded than the day before. In total, 2 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $20,160,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $13.16, and the lowest price was $6.19. Currently, the price is 10.64%, or $1.40, below the 52-week high, and 25.08%, or $3.94, below the all-time high reached on the 14th of June, 2021, when the price was $15.70. Zevra Therapeutics has just announced its results for the second quarter of 2025, reporting net revenue of $25.9 million. This was driven by product net revenue of $21.8 million. The company will host a conference call at 4:30 p.m. Eastern today to discuss this quarter's performance. The strong product traction, along with marketed therapies Miplyffa in the United States and Olpruva for select patients with urea cycle disorders, provides Zevra with a solid commercial foundation beyond just clinical achievements. Recent regulatory developments include a submission made in July for a marketing authorization application to the European Medicines Agency for arimoclomol in Niemann-Pick disease type C. If approved, this could lead to a significant expansion into multiple markets. In the short term, the quarter's results and the upcoming conference call may introduce volatility. Stronger than expected revenue, positive guidance, or promising commercial metrics could boost the stock price. Conversely, any signs of weakening demand or guidance may lead to a decline. Looking further ahead, key factors for sustained growth include successful approval from the European Medicines Agency, continued uptake of Miplyffa and Olpruva, and favorable reimbursement dynamics. On the other hand, regulatory challenges, commercialization difficulties, or limited market access could suppress valuation. While analysts have raised their upside estimates, which adds to positive sentiment, it is important to note that execution and regulatory risks remain. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 14th of May, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned ZVRA an outperform rating, accompanied by a hold action. On Wednesday, the 12th of March, 2025, it was again reported that Citigroup assigned ZVRA an outperform rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 4th of February, 2025, Guggenheim reported giving ZVRA a buy rating with a hold action. On Monday, the 7th of October, 2024, it was reported that Guggenheim assigned ZVRA a buy rating accompanied by an initiate action. On Tuesday, the 24th of September, 2024, Maxim Group reported giving ZVRA a market outperform rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Zevra Therapeutics stock a general strong sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have also given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Zevra Therapeutics. ZVRA Therapeutics Inc. stock shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. During downward corrections, support is anticipated at levels of $11.68 and $11.14. A decline below either of these thresholds will trigger sell signals. The volume is increasing alongside the price, which is viewed as a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have been recorded, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, July 15, 2025, and the stock has since decreased by 8.05%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots showed a sell signal 21 days ago. Bollinger reported a buy signal 27 days ago. The short-term moving average highlighted a buy signal 9 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average displayed a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 66 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages pointed to a buy signal 58 days ago. For more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Zevra Therapeutics. ZVRA Therapeutics Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $11.27. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. This stock exhibits average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the risk is regarded as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $0.39 between its high and low, which is 3.45%. Throughout the past week, the stock has experienced a daily average volatility of 5.42%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Zevra Therapeutics, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, consider the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and raise concerns about potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 12th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $1.43. It's important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Zevra Therapeutics. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Zevra Therapeutics is at $12.02. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Zevra Therapeutics encounters its first support level at $11.27. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Zevra Therapeutics from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On June 26, 2025, Thomson Reuters conducted an insider sale of 24,000 shares of common stock. On June 21, 2025, Thomson Reuters conducted an insider sale of 66,666 shares of restricted stock units. On June 21, 2025, Thomson Reuters conducted an insider purchase of 66,666 shares of common stock. On May 29, 2025, Shi Alvin conducted an insider purchase of 30,000 shares of stock options, giving him the right to buy. On May 29, 2025, Dixon Wendy L. conducted an insider purchase of 30,000 shares of stock options, also granting her the right to buy. Based on the 60 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 58.792. Overall, insiders purchased 3,405,831 shares and sold 530,648 shares in the last 60 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $11.29, which represents a decline of 4%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified 20 days ago. Is Zevra Therapeutics stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable possibility for ZVRA Therapeutics Inc. stock to perform well in the near future. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 13th of August, we anticipate that ZVRA Therapeutics will open lower by approximately 3 cents and begin trading at $11.73. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before you engage in buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not solely rely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.